Hello everyone. In this section, we are going to see the outlook of UPSC, that means Union Public Service Commission examination or Civil Service examination. The Civil Service examination is conducted by the Union Public Service Commission in every year. The exam is conducted in three stages. They are first preliminary examination, main examination, and then last interview. First, preliminary examination or prelims. It is an objective type examination which is used to select the eligible candidates for the next entry or main examination. Next, the important exam or stage in UPSC, main examination. It is an essay type exam where we want to give our answers in a paragraph manner. Next, the interview. It is a part of main examination where the committee checks the ability of a candidate whether he or she is eligible for this service. The civil service examination covers the 22 services in a single examination, where the services like Indian Administrative Service (IAS), Indian Foreign Service (IFS), Indian Police Service (IPS), Indian Audit and Account Service, Indian Revenue Service Group A, and Indian Postal Service, Indian Information Service, Indian Railway Account Service, Indian Railway Personnel Service, Indian Railway Traffic Service, and so on. The Commission fills every year around thousands of vacancies in above services which are mentioned here. In that, IPS is around 75. This is the one of the most toughest examination in our nation. The mark allotment in UPSC exam. First, preliminary examination. In this, there are two papers, namely General Studies and CSAT. First, CSAT. It is an paper which checks the ability of a candidate to give a logical reasoning and understanding the problems and giving an solution to it. We need 66 mark in this CSAT paper, which is a qualified or a passed mark. When the candidate get a qualified mark, that means a 66 marks in CSAT, then only their general studies paper will be corrected. The preliminary examination is a screening test to select an eligible candidate for the services. Main examination. In this, there are two types. Part A and Part B are a qualifying paper. The candidate should be passed in it. Part A is Indian language and Part B is an English. These two papers are compulsory papers. These are the papers are considered for merit list of the examination. First, paper 1 is an essay. Paper 2 to 5 are general studies paper, and paper 6 and 7 are optional subject. In that, we can choose our favorite or interest subject as our optional subject. Total marks of this can be allotted as each carries 250 marks and interview has 275 marks, total 2025 marks. Out of this, the candidate gets near or above 1150. Their name will be in the top of 150 in the merit list. Here, the sum of the optional subjects for main examination. They are agriculture, botany, chemistry, commerce and accountancy, economics, geography, history, law, management, civil engineering, mathematics, medical science, philosophy, physics, psychology, public administration, sociology, statistics, zoology, and mechanical engineering. Books for preparation. History. A Brief History of Modern India. Rajiv Hamir. Spectrum Publishing. India Since Independence. Bipin Chandra. History of the World. Arjun Dev. And NCERT book 10th to 12th. Geography. Certificate Physical and Human Geography. Geo Sheng Liang. Oxford Atlas. Polity. Indian Polity. Lakshmikant. Form Government of Governance. Kuldeep Maturity. Economics. Indian Economy. Ramesh Singh. Economic Survey by the government every year. And NCERT books 11th to 12th. This is some of the standard books for UPSC preparation. There are more and more books for it. It is an medium, or for preparing prelims it can be enough. Thank you.